A is for B is for
Babay po.
C is for
Chicken.
D is for E is for
Paborito ko si Kosa ko.
F is for
Feeling makakase, no?
G is for
Guys, may gusto na talaga ako kay Kosa ko. Pabebe lang.
H is for
Hi guys,
I is for
Tutok mo pa!
A is for K is for L is for
Lagi kasi feel ko pag ginagamit ko to katabi ko si asawa.
M is for
May mamami B.
N is for
No.
O is for
O, kay S, kay U, kay K, kay E, kay Kosa, kay Umimoto.
P is for
Prestige, ay...
Q is for R is for S is for
Sahit.
T is for
Tandaan mo, papunta ka pa lang, pabalik na ako. Marami na ako napabagsak dito.
U is for
Kay Umimoto!
Yes.
E is for W is for
What did you say?
X is for Y is for Z is for